all the ingredients.
No. Right now I'm mixing up the yeast and the sugar and the flour.
You're getting so much on your hands.
Listen, it's gonna be a little. What did they say? Rustic. It's flour. We're gonna put our yeast in.
Yo, dude.
We're putting our yeast in. Put sugar. That's disgusting.
Angles are crazy. Yeah.
So, huh?
They got tomato.
For what?
With the thing.
Huh. You're such a gremlin, bro. You come into my house and just like steal my food. And it's not even like normal food. It's just like you just grab some tomatoes and just like. Now we're gonna need the dough. Bro, chill.
Wait.
So look, I seen someone do this on me. Look how clean that is, man. I'm a pro.
Can you give him ASMR?
Hey, Riley, try to look like a tomato.
Wait, actually, no, this is coming together.
Why would I say Thursday night pizza if you have to make it?
If I'm making it Friday night, Aiden, I don't know.
Oh, I didn't. I thought today was Thursday.
Is since I don't have a lid and it's not warm really, I'm gonna put hot water on the towel and cover this. Place to rise for at least 45 minutes.
And then after that. Whoa, whoa.
Bro, I'm not gonna turn the thing on for.
Oh, I thought you were about to put it in the microwave. Not all of it though. Okay.
I don't know how to fix that. Put it on TV.
This is like weird.
Chopper.
What's it called again? Chainsaw Man?
How many episodes are there?
Oh, chopper.
Yeah.
What else could we add to this to make it tasty? We had some of this. We have tomato paste.
Did it expire?
No, wait, it's expired?
September 1st, 2022.
Uh-oh.
It's not that long ago.
It's probably fine. It's Best Buy.
Well, it's all here. Should enough.
You do. This is not what enough, bro. I don't know what to tell you.
You gotta rise it on her?
No, you just made it bad. This is a disaster.
No, just make it. Just make it. That doesn't look too good.
That's why it looks like. Yeah. Well, because we don't want to put too much.
No, it'll. Does this be like a, what, 14 inch?
Oh, he getting fancy with it.
I don't think trust it.
It looks like just like larva.
That's just disgusting, man. The thing, I basically.
Garrett, who?
Yeah, I'm not actually.
Hey, dude, you literally work in a pizza shop and you couldn't help make the dough?
I did. That's why it came out like this. Like once you mess it up, then we just put
Ah.
70. Wait, oh shoot, wait, I can't.
10 minutes at 500.
Okay. I trust you.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, because normally the the cookie. This looks alien, bro. This does not look edible. It's 2 in the morning. It's 2. We just finished our pizza and it looks disgusting. Taste test.
It's not that bad.
The taste is pretty good, but the dough is like, it's like a 4.
10? Yeah. I said I'm 3, 4. Not bad.
Like, look at how much bread is in this.
Yeah.
So this. I'm just so hungry.
I'm like fucking.
It's so good.
I think I like.
Doesn't it taste so good? I never want you guys to cook in my house again, bro. I'm gonna change my rating to a solid 6 out of 10, bro.
I'm gonna.
So good. It's so good.